The ConceptD 9 is a laptop specifically created for designers. It features powerful performance and accurate color reproduction, and has a clean, professional appearance. The backlit keyboard emits a warm amber glow that lets you feel relaxed in any environment. A good display is important for creation, and you can see every detail in unbelievable clarity with this 17.3-inch 4K UHD IPS display. Color is also critical for design work. With a 100% Adobe RGB wide color gamut and a PANTONE Validated display, get a full range of colors to work with. Color accuracy is also a priority. The display has been tested and calibrated to achieve a super low delta E average of less than 1 to reproduce true-to-life colors. On top of that, the ConceptD 9 has a touchscreen, which works with a Wacom EMR pen. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, you can enjoy fast, accurate control and an authentic writing and sketching experience. The stylus is battery-free and has a magnetic design, so it stays attached to your device. The coolest feature is the patented Ezel Hinge on the sides of the display. You can move the display closer or lay it down, and when you need to share the screen, just flip the display and your team members or clients can see the content. This laptop can also handle your creative projects. There's a 9th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, 32 GB of DDR4 memory, and more, meaning you can multitask at speed and handle complex 3D design projects. As for the GPU, it's an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, allowing you to do real-time ray tracing and apply AI to the applications you use every day. You can do all your design work. It will be easier, better, and faster. When you're working hard, you want peace and quiet, and you'll get that with a 4th Gen Aeroblade 3D fan. Even when the CPU is at full capacity, it still runs at under 40 decibels, the equivalent of a library room. There's a full range of ports, including a Thunderbolt 3. This delivers data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, while also allowing you to connect to multiple 4K displays. With its flexible form factor, top-class performance, and stylish design, the ConceptD 9 is a powerful workmate for creators, providing a superior design work experience. ConceptD, let creators be creators.